Hello, my name is Olga Popovic Larsen. I'm a professor in structures and materials at the Royal Danish Academy in Copenhagen. I'm going to talk about my work in connection with sustainable approaches and the impact it has made both in education and teaching. The School of Architecture is in Copenhagen is one of the oldest in the world. We're almost 300 years old, and the connection between research and teaching is very close. So my research has had impact into the teaching, and the teaching has also, which is research-based, has also impacted my research. I'm very happy that the work that we have done over the few years has been included in a big exhibition we're holding at the moment, which is fully about the planetary boundaries. In the exhibition, we can see how students have worked further with these approaches and have created new solutions regarding sustainability, especially working with reclaimed wood. And in addition to this, it has created the possibility to start two new PhD projects, one looking at structural applications of reclaimed wood and the agency of the material for creating new forms of architecture. And the second one looking at a new typology of energy buildings and how we can build with bio-based and especially wood-based solutions. The methods that we work here at the school are combining very much analog and digital forms, and in that sense we work very much with physical models that then we take into a digital environment and we come back, and through this iteration we work also with the real material and build prototypes in full scale. Here we show one of the projects that was a master's project where we had two master students working on their final project, looking at how we can build for a growing population and how we can work with reclaimed wood. This was also put in a context of local building regulations, especially looking at fire, but also looking at the tectonic expression and the agency of wood. All this work was also inspired by the research that was an input, both my own but also a research project where we see here a long span beam that is all from reclaimed wood and also uses design for disassembly connections, but they are all timber, so everything is made out of wood, where we have made a prototype in full scale. In later work, we have also built a full-scale pavilion to test the concept, and it has given really promising results. It has also been tested in a lab where it also shows that there's a future. We're also continuing with this work. So I would say the impact of the work that is presented in the book has had direct impact into the teaching, into our research-led education, specifically in the program Arkitekturens Teknologi, Architectural Technology, which is a research-led master's. Also, all our masters at the Royal Academy are research-based. In addition, as I said, two PhD projects have been developed, but also we are looking at further work, both developing the research that is building on what we have found, but also having that input again into the education. So it's a fantastic place to be, where there's a very vibrant environment of very creative young people, and this collaboration across is also very fruitful. And I believe that the work here at the exhibition points to new ways of thinking how we can work within the planetary boundaries, developing solutions that are tailored for people and and also are addressing the scarcity of materials that we have. So the work that I have done has opened up lots of opportunities, both in teaching and research. I believe it's made an impact, and I continue working with topics of circularity and sustainability, especially working with wood. For more information, look in the chapter in the last chapter of Conceptual Structural Design, Bridging the Gap Between Engineers and Architects. Thank you.